I'm Donna, and today I'm going to show you some more soap wrapping. This time we're using soaps from Senya Du Soaps. We thank the Dominican nuns for sending us these bars to practice with. What I want to show you first is an example of their bars, how they are now. What they've got is a paper label that wraps on the outside of a shrink wrap bar. And you can see by looking at the side of their bar, it's a little bit irregularly shaped, which is true of a lot of natural soaps. But you can see that that seam has a tendency to get dirty. We have the puckers that occur commonly with the shrink wrap. So what we're doing is we're going to take some bars and we're going to show what this product would look like over-wrapped with the Zopax PXC12 as opposed to the shrink wrap that they've been using. Our Zopax PXC12 is made here in the United States. We warranty it here. We do all the work and assembly here. Today I'm demonstrating with our cutter assembly. There's really not much like this on the market right now. We're very proud of our cutter. We have certain sizes of film that we keep in stock. This happens to require one that's slightly narrower than that. So I've slid my cutter over to remove just a little bit of that film to get the ideal wrap. This is the bar of soap I'm going to show you on. You can see it's got a textured top and a slightly irregular shape to it, and that's not going to be a problem wrapping with the Zopax. So first we're going to take our film and we're going to wrap the soap around it. We're going to have some overlap. And we'll pull it tight, and as I bring it across this wire it's going to cut the film, and as I lay it against this panel it seals that. And then all I have to do is fold the sides in, do a quick tap, and then we're going to fold those edges over and briefly tap them against the heat. What that does is that seals this special film to itself. Gives us a real nice, clean, commercial edge. And again, we're just going to tap that. We're going to fold these edges over. Press that lightly against the heat. And I've got control over how long I have that against the heat. So look how nice and clean that wraps. Right up against the product, even though it's not perfectly square. And in this case, we'll just continue with their normal method of sliding that paper label right over that. And you can see how much more commercial that looks and how much cleaner and smoother a wrap that is. Very simple to achieve with the Zopax. I'm going to do one more bar. And again, you'll notice that every time I grab one of these bars, they're just a little bit irregularly shaped. So we're going to wrap the film around it. We're going to pull it close, put it across the wire and tap it. That seals it, the first seal. And I'm just going to press these sides in. I'm going to lightly tap these edges to hold this triangular piece in. And then when I fold that last fold, it seals it to itself. Again, nice and easy. We're just folding over and then folding over again. And look what a nice job that does on these edges that aren't straight. So even at the angles, we have a nice clean wrap. And again, these will just slide right over this, and their product is nice and professional.